Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for product comparisons. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two drones that will take your aerial photography to new heights. In the left corner, we have the DEERC D20 mini drone, and in the right corner, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone. Let's dive into the details and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots, having a high-quality camera is crucial. The DEERC D20 mini drone comes equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. This allows you to take breathtaking photos and videos from the sky, which you can view in real time through the smartphone app. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone takes it up a notch with its ultra-clear 4K camera. With this powerful camera, you can capture every detail in vivid 4K resolution, giving you a truly immersive aerial photography experience. Now let's talk about flight performance. The DEERC D20 mini drone features altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain a stable height, making it easier for you to control and capture high-quality footage. It also has 3D Flips and Waypoints Fly functions, adding a touch of excitement to your flights. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone comes with powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries that provide a longer flight time of up to 90 minutes. It also offers multiple user-friendly functions such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, and altitude hold, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Safety is always a top priority, especially when flying drones. The DEERC D20 mini drone is equipped with low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards, ensuring a safe flight experience. Additionally, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that support up to 20 minutes of flight time. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone takes safety to the next level with its GPS module and optical flow positioning. These features make the drone more reliable, stable, and less prone to interference. It also offers functions like Smart Return to Home and One Key Return, preventing the drone from getting lost. Finally, let's talk about the price. The DEERC D20 mini drone comes at an affordable price of $69, making it a great option for those who are just starting their drone journey. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone is priced at $249, offering advanced features and a higher level of performance. After comparing the DEERC D20 mini drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone, it's clear that both drones have their own strengths. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone takes the lead in camera quality, flight performance, and safety features. However, if you're on a budget, the DEERC D20 mini drone offers a great value for your money. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. After comparing the DEERC D20 mini drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone, it's clear that both drones have their own strengths. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone takes the lead in camera quality, flight performance, and safety features. However, if you're on a budget, the DEERC D20 mini drone offers a great value for your money. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.